just picked up the Chefman electric smokeless indoor grill for my mother, and we just had a cookout for Memorial Day, so I wanted to go through and show you a little more about it. It's really nice because it is dishwasher safe and it has a lot of cool features, very easy to use. So let's go through and talk about it. So with this, first we're going to go through and show it cooking a bit. And a few things to know: there is going to be less smoke and the grill flavor is really good on this. You can see here the burgers frying here, which is really nice. They were really good. Can I emphasize that more? Great cooking zone, and you don't have to really worry about much. It looks like a mess. You have your switch over here to turn it on and you're all set there. We just have it on medium, and it does get hot. So you want to make sure no one's around it when it is cooking, kind of like all the other grills. And this is basically what it looks like. And now what you want to do is you do also have an area for a tray underneath. So that will be to go through and keep the water. I'll show that in a moment, but first let's hear it. You do add water in the tray underneath it. It helps cook, and it does look a little messy as it goes, but that tray of water definitely does seem to help with how the burgers are. So what does it look like at the end? Well, it looks delicious. So this is basically what the burger is. It cooked all the way through, no problem, and they were pretty thick. Just to give you an idea, flipping is really easy on the grill as well. Pretty much your typical grill. And when you're done, it's pretty simple because you just let it cool off and you can take it all apart. It just comes out like that. And then you can go and put it in the dishwasher, the tray, and the grill area. And basically just let the dishwasher run and you're done. Definitely do recommend this.